Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pattinger.
Yeah, you know D clubs, Jamaica Good Life. I don't know, welcome to see you again. So fancy.
So fancy. Randy, see you. Good life. Randy, see you. Choo choo. A good life.
Good life, yes, sir?
Yeah, man. A good life.
Yeah.
A good life. Randy, Mr. Lambert.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to see you. Shot. Yeah, Jamaica Good Life. Finally he's reaching. He's been walking a man deacon for all long. Says walking to see you. Just touchdown. Mr. Pattinger. Mr. Randy. Just touchdown at the airport.
Yes, sir. It's big.
Lambert himself.
Yeah.
He will see you.
Respect, world. I'm here. Bring some fruit, come beer fruits.
See you.
Man, sir.
The good life. Many thanks.
Legendary bag. When I build a museum, this bag, been doing this project for 15 years.
Yeah.
This bag. It's part of the legacy.
Where it's been.
The yellow bag.
Yeah.
You never see the yellow bag.
Oh, this is the king. Yeah, man.
See your thing.
See your thing.
Respect.
See your thing I set up.
Yeah, man.
Respect, man. Like you
Yeah,
are.
man.
Let's see, we love it.
Yeah.
I'm paid.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's a love.
Yeah,
Fine.
one love.
Love you.
And that's Mr. Lambert.
Alright.
He's the one that used to cook in the big pot.
Alright.
Mr. Lambert.
So nice to meet you.
Same to
We're
you.
going to have to hang out. Yeah,
Definitely.
you're going to hang out.
Of
Alright?
course it is.
Yeah. Jamaica Good Life.
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
See if you Randy is here. Bless her for the cell.
Alright.
I made it to see you with Keno. Big up yourself. Respect for all the work you've done.
Respect.
You know, man, I said, wouldn't change a thing. You're the chosen one to bring this thing forward. It's been 15 years. Now, passing on the mantle to see you. People who love the show, support it. That's what I say. You love it,
Support it.
so Keno can spread his wings across Jamaica.
Yeah.
You're doing an amazing job. Really appreciate your work.
Many thanks.
Wow.
You see on the view. This is why they call it sea viewing. You have to see, you know, and you have a view.
You see what it is. Yes, sir. Jamaica Good Life.
That's Randy Pattinger.
Yeah.
Yes, respect.
I'm the business man.
I'm going to play some domino now.
Yeah.
I come back.
Just organize the thing and make it work.
Alright.
It can work.
Definitely, man. Alright, blessings.
Bless up, you know.
Were you selling that? You remember her? She's on the program selling the boxers. It was her selling the boxers. Yeah, it was her. How much are your socks? Alright, sell me.
What you want?
You want?
You want that color, yeah?
How much color you have? Give me back the color with that again.
I'm not buying no, I'm just a come down here.
Alright, thanks.
Kino, this is going to be in the future. This where the plane touchdown, we now have no bag, so I just walk through.
Yeah.
So I go time you. By the time I reach, you just put that thing on my hand.
Yeah.
Boom, light it, boom.
Yeah.
Get a little kind of certain kind of food. Alright, child, boom, boom, boom. Alright, done. Give me a thing to wipe off my face. Jump out of the studio. Boom! My sin. My sin. Where are you there? Oh, come in the region. Years, man, of this. And when we see it for the first time, when we say the man,
Want him go there,
and the spirit says to me, this is the one you can take to the mountain. What do you mean this is the one I can? Yeah, I am. So yo, how old are you tell? I'm Michelle, say my son.
Yeah.
I say, wow, what are you tell? This is the one you can take to the mountain. I said, wow. She said, alright, I'm gonna wait. You know, and they sent me a video and something that I go right at Kingston, can bring the camera close by. I'm gonna tell the people, yo, give the camera to this person. And he said, when I come out Jamaica, I look for help, come I get tired. 15 years, I get tired, then I shake. You see me?
You're trained.
I'm gonna come for the help. And she pushed the bus all the way. I'm gonna meet him. And now Jamaica Good Life, see there? The man that take this thing to the next level. And I love the work we are do. When they reach 9, Mr. Kino, push harder! I said, but let me just start. I said, no. You did music before, so that means that this is nothing new. I want to write the script and extract the story from the people and push harder.
Yeah.
But now I'm going to be easy with you. You was already at 9 and you just start.
Yeah.
That means you're just one jump for 10.
Yes.
And everything in produce is at 10. You see me?
So true.
So for the whole youth them in Jamaica where you have changed your life and tell them story, why you stand firm and stay focused. You see me? And you never put
I
your
stand
pants
firm.
down.
I stand firm that key,
You
you know.
see me? This is a marcus, you have a movement.
Straight.
So you never put your pants down. We can never see you Kino with your pants down.
Never the case. Never the case.
So express to the people and how you're going to lead them forward to the future.
Yeah, I'm on the spot right now.
This is what Randy love to do.
Right now, I'm speechless.
Right.
I don't have many to say. But when you see the work, if I don't see the work, I don't see the future.
Yeah, action.
Say no more. That said is all in it.
Good life.
Good life, Jamaica.
Aye.
Jamaica Good Life.
Good life.
Them could be my friend.
Them bad mind me for me song them and me write them. Bad mind chin film tree like them. Them corrupt but so now go be like them. For me and my friend, me nah go ever style you. Me nah go use nobody fat and try fry you. No. Nah go ever criticize you. The devil is a wicked and Satan know you. One thing me know, real people they out there. Vice kind of worse than you know. I go my evil they out there. Me know say real people they out there. Real people they out there. Real people they out there. Now listen what the words from them mouth say. Me know say real people they out there. Let me say better thing a better thing. But for each and every day you have to genuine. Me no change and no weather thing. I me no favorite in a man, me no feminine. Watch you know. From me say real is a realness. From me no real, and you there beside me, me can feel it. So when me talk, just believe it. Cause me a talk this to me heart, me say me mean it. A one thing me know. Real people they out there. A brother cards, you know what I mean? Jamaica Good Life. Man. See, now make it go up and Jason.
The chef.
Yes, so watch it.
The chef.
Yes, so. I'm coming Jason through music living in Florida. I mean, say the South. I'm even Junior, so I'm coming Jason.
What's your name?
305.
CB there.
Simple. Simple. When him smile, the girl, them love him. Them tell me
Artist?
no. But just love it and they're artist, the one. We have love it.
Yeah, D-Clubs, Jamaica Good Life, and then welcome to see you again. So fancy.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then